skateboarding
Yeah.
down the slide. Let's go. Let's try that one more time.
He's making a video for his YouTube.
Okay. Here we go again.
On the belly.
Me? Oh, yeah.
No, how about this? You get hit by the water balloon while you're riding.
Now, we get the yellow slide.
Come on. I missed.
Oh
my God.
Okay. Here's my other video. Here's my last one. Off the big slide. Let go. Where did you get the water balloon? Oh! That was awesome. Is that him? Oh. Nice! Exactly. We're playing Save the Princess. This is my last one. Wish me good luck. Hey, we're playing Save the Princess. Mikey, we're playing Save the Princess. Well, see some of my other videos like Crazy Interview and Bike Fields. Bye. Bye.